Azure Entra ID provides you a possibility to invite users from outside your organization to use certain resources inside your organization. How this happens? When you enter your tenant and you go to users and click new user, you will find invite external users. And all you need to do is just write their email here and click in the send invite messages. And as soon as you review and invite, you will receive an email that you are inviting them to access your organization. If they accepted, you will be seen here in your list of users. Like I'm here, I invited myself as a guest. Guest means an external user. Then you can assign access to them. It's preferred to assign access using groups, not users. In order to work with groups, we will go to Azure Entra ID. You will find under Manage Groups. There's two types of groups. There is static groups and there is dynamic groups. Dynamic groups, here is this security group. There's two types of groups. There's security group and Microsoft 365 groups, but we would like right now to create a static group. So this one, the other one here, is used related to shared mailboxes, calendars, stuff related to SharePoints. And the first one is related to resources, like if you have, let's say, Dynamics in cloud, and you would like to give users access to Dynamics who are outside of your organization. So you provide them access to security group. Microsoft 365 groups is related to mailbox, SharePoint, and calendars. So I will use here security. I will provide the name, and I will provide here the owner. We can have multiple owners who can adjust the members of this group. And so let's say I will put myself, and also I can assign members. Members to be dynamically assigned, it need a P1 and P2 Entra ID license. Otherwise, you will have to put it statically. Also here you can see there is a Copilot feature here. In the Copilot feature, you can ask them questions. As you can see here, I was just asked Copilot, what are the Azure PowerShell and CI commands to create security groups called IT admins? And so it provides me here with the code that I can directly use to create this group on using CLI and PowerShell. And you can ask Copilot many questions. For example, how to step-by-step strategy to manage users and groups in Microsoft Entra ID, steps to bulk creation of users or groups, and maybe comparison in tables between internal and external Microsoft ID users, Entra ID users accounts. I will share also in the comments three important links. I will encourage you to check about understanding Microsoft Entra ID, about creating Azure users and groups in Microsoft ID, Entra ID, and allow users to reset their passwords with Microsoft Entra self-service password reset to allow them to set their password without having to go to the IT. Thank you.